It was in 623 AD. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, formed a battalion of 70 companions that only consisted of the Muhajireen and made their way towards Abwa. The purpose of this expedition was to sign an agreement with the tribe of Banu Dhamra and to raid the trade caravan of the Quraysh. The flag of this battalion, which was white in color, was given to Hamza ibn Abdul Muttalib. The journey from Madinah to Abwa took about 15 days. The Muslim contingent missed the caravan and no interception or battle took place, but the Holy Prophet met Makshi ibn Amar, the leader of the Banu Dhamra tribe, and signed an agreement of peace and alliance with him. The contents of that agreement were as follows. This is a document from Muhammad, the Messenger of Allah, concerning Banu Dhamra, in which he established them safe and secure in their wealth and lives. They can expect support from the Muslims unless they oppose the religion of Allah. They are also expected to respond positively in case the Prophet sought their help. After the agreement was inked between the Holy Prophet and the Banu Dhamra tribe, the Muslim army returned to Medina. The reason for this military expedition of Abwa was that the Muslims sought to challenge the economic power of the Quraysh of Mecca, who had expelled them and confiscated their property, and to establish treaties and demonstrate the growing military presence of the Muslim community in Medina to the surrounding tribes.